What is project communication management? So, sa isang project, communication is the key para maging successful ito or para maging smooth ang paggawa nito. So, ito is consist of three main process para ma-ensure na tamang message ang nasa-send or nare-receive at ito is na iintindihan ng kabilang end. Ang project communication management is binubuo ng tatlong process. Ito nga po yung plan communication management communications, monitor communications. So sa plan communication management is binubuo pa lang yung paano yung magiging communication sa buong project. Kung paano yung magiging reporting ng mga tao, and kasama na dito sila stakeholders. So, sa manage project communication, once na na-approve na yung project, minomonitor or minamanage na dito yung communication. So, kunwari, nagkaroon ng changes sa project plan. So, dapat na i-distribute na agad yung plano doon sa buong grupo through communication. Sa monitor project communication, dito naman tinitingnan kung monitor ba yung communication through whole project, kung tama pa ba yung nare-receive ng kabilang end or tama ba yung nasa-sendan nung dapat na makuha na message. What is risk management? Project risk management is the process of identifying, analyzing, and then responding to any risk. So, yung risk management, hindi siya kung kailan lumabas lang yung risk, dun ka lang gagalaw. Sa project planning pa lang, dapat sinifigure out na kung ano yung possible na pwedeng lumabas na risk sa buong project and kung paano re-respondihan ito. So, ano ba yung risk? Yung risk is anything that could potentially impact your project's timeline, performance, or budget. So, yung risk daw, pwedeng maging positive or negative risk. Yung negative risk is yung mga unwanted or yung pwedeng makasira or magka-damage doon sa mismong project or sa paggawa ng project. Yung mga positive risk naman is yung mga opportunities na pwedeng mag-act as a beneficial ways or para mas mapaganda pa yung project nyo.